Hi, welcome to Android class. In this class, we will learn again that is a calculation of the net premium for the both fire and as well as the marine company. Before you are watching this video class, please check the earlier video, that is a 2017 question paper, how the calculation for the net premium. Now the question is, it is 2018 question paper, 6 marks, calculation of net premium for both fire and as well as marine. Right. Let us check the problem. What are the details they have provided? Calculate net premium for the year ending 31st March 2017 for the Popular Insurance Company. Particulars, fire, marine. 3-column information they provided. So under the particulars, the heads of the income, and again the income they have given. Then again amount column. Premium on reinsurance ceded. Premium on reinsurance ceded. Whenever you see the word ceded, please be remember it is a deductible in the respective heads. So that is a premium. Premium only ceded bandirodana minus madkoli. So premium on reinsurance ceded is deductible amount 10 lakh 35,000, 22 lakh 20,000. Next one. Premium in reinsurance accepted. Premium in reinsurance accepted. Again, the insured person has taken the reinsurance policy. Then that is accepted by the insurance company. It is addable. So it is addable item. Next one. Premium on direct business amount 42 lakh 20,000 and 64 lakh 40,000. It is also addable. That should be taken at the first. Premium on direct business. Next one. Reserves for unexpired risk on 1/4/2016. So this is the amount we have to taken for the calculation of the unexpired risk. Adana now the difference amount nodi tagolbekagute. In case of the fire, they maintained the reserves, opening reserve 14 lakh 85,000. But in case of the marine, 48 lakh 18,000. 48 lakh 18,000. Next, additional information they have provided. The reserves for the unexpired risks to be maintained 40 and 80% on net premium for the fire and marine insurance respectively. Here in the problem, specifically they provided the percentage wise, then go for taking with for the calculation, that is a 40 and 80 for fire and marine respectively. Right. With this information, we have to prepare the working note, or we can say that is the calculation of the net premium. Right, and a calculation of the net premium for fire and as well as marine particulars. Now I will take with the both 3 columns, fire and as well as marine. Particulars, fire, marine. First one, premium on direct business. On direct business amount, there is 42 lakh 20,000. 42 lakh 20,000. See, for the amount, please refer the questions. So 42 lakh 20,000, 64 lakh 40,000, 64 lakh 40,000. Next one, reinsurance accepted is addable. Premium on reinsurance accepted amount 7 lakh 75,000, and next one 1 lakh. There is a 15 lakh 10,000. 15 lakh 10,000. Add both, that is 14 lakh 95,000. Next one 79 lakh 50,000. 79 lakh 50,000. Then less premium on reinsurance ceded. On ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೀಡೆಡ್. ಸೀಡೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆನ್ reinsurance ceded amount 10,35,000 and in case of the marine 22,20,000. Deduct it. Totally 39,60,000. Next one 57,30,000 is a premium and this amount is eligible for calculation now. We will take it less adjustment. I will write short form adjustment for increase in reserve for unexpired risk. Now in a problem they specify 40-80% for fire and again marine, no any other additional reserve. Take that for calculation. I will go for the first fire. The premium amount is 3,90,000, that is a 39,60,000 into 40%. 40% amount is 15,84,000. 15,84,000 is the 40% amount of 39,60,000. This is the required maintenance of the reserves. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ the premium for unexpired risk on 1/4/2016 for fire, that is 14,85,000. 14,00,000